My sophomore year of high school is when I tore my first ACL. At a meet down in Cincinnati, I heard a crack and I was like, oh, it's just a crack. You know, nothing big deal about it. I was actually on the floor, which was my first event. I still had 3 other events to compete. So I competed the entire meet with a partial torn ACL.
I have good communication with the coaching staff here and with the parents at the gym, and they let me know right away that Ravenna had a knee injury, so I was able to evaluate it very soon after it happened. And it was a little odd because it was a partial injury, and we gave her a lot of treatment options and she did a great job, but eventually, unfortunately, she needed surgery.
She came in with a swollen knee that was unstable and based on her history was concerning for an anterior cruciate ligament or ACL tear. And after talking with her and examining her knee, unfortunately, we confirmed that diagnosis.
It was either I have surgery or not do gymnastics again.
With our youth athletes like Ravenna, one of the things we really have to think about is the status of the growth plates. Our growing athletes, as they transition from middle school to high school, still are converting into adults. And so the big part with ACLs is assessing whether someone is done growing or still growing, and that changes the type of surgery we do. And then the second is what type of graft to use to make their new ACL. And there's multiple different options, and those really come into play based on what sport an athlete does to make sure we match the right type of surgery for that athlete. And from my end, doing the vast majority of ACL surgeries in our system, having the ability to use all of those different graft types so that that patient gets the exact type of surgery that they need, personalized to them, hopefully gives them the best outcome possible.
As she progressed to being a Division I recruit and Division I athlete, I think that's just an amazing testament to how she recovered and how we were able to help out a little bit as she got through some of those challenges.
I never really knew what I wanted to do, and then I was getting injured, and then obviously I had to go to therapy for forever, it seems like, and I really fell in love with it. I loved how the body and how you can strengthen one part and then it helps this part, or you can strengthen your core and it helps everything. I loved how the body all connects, and it does help a lot in gymnastics too, because we condition all the time. Practice is dedicated for conditioning, and so it just all made sense for me to do that. I'm going to be majoring in human and health sciences, which then will transfer over into physical therapy.
For me, there's nothing better than seeing an athlete get back out there and compete at a high level, and she competed at such a high level. She earned a college scholarship, so for me that was very gratifying. I was thrilled for her. She'd worked so hard to get there, so it was very nice to see that as a positive success.
Without university hospitals, I would not be going to my dream school.